fireworks. Damn! Black damn. Get out damn. A Stanley Park second beach. And I'll show you next. Whoa, what is that, guys? Look at this, look at this. It's coming to us. Coming to us. Coming to us. I only have 1%.
Counting down. Initiate countdown.
对呀，看无人机来了。
Please subscribe, yo. I need 50 subscribers to open up live, so please, y'all, please subscribe. Alright, subscribe, please. Y'all, please subscribe. Here's the fireworks. Y'all, please subscribe, bro. Please subscribe, y'all. Look at this, guys. You guys can go here. I could be out of batteries any time right now, bro. I'm hanging on to batteries. Battery percent hanging there, please. Damn, look at that. Damn. Y'all, please subscribe. Y'all, please subscribe. Y'all, please subscribe. And please comment, please like. I'm just a very new kid YouTuber. Please subscribe, y'all. I just want to show you guys the beautiful show. And please subscribe. I need 50 subscribers to open live show, bro. So please subscribe. Subscribe, please. Please look. Whoa, look at that, guys, look at that. Y'all, please subscribe. Yo, look at that, bro. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Y'all, please subscribe, y'all. Y'all, please subscribe. Y'all, please subscribe. Yo, look at that. Yeah, please subscribe. Yo, subscribe, y'all. Please subscribe. Look at that. This is the fireworks. This is like the best fireworks I've ever seen. Like, this is at Stanley Park. We're at Stanley Park. The real fire show is close to English Bay, so maybe next week you guys can go. Next week we're gonna come back here again. This is Stanley Park second beach. Stanley Park second beach. Stanley second park. Yeah, look at that, guys. Yo, legit. Please, I should see Mr. Beast. Please tell me you guys will stay in the end and Ben as well, please. Y'all, come on. Hang in there to 5 minutes. My battery is